This ceiling hook set is suitable for installation on various types of walls, including wooden, concrete, and hollow ceilings. The set includes one hook, one screw, one expansion tube, one bolt, and one toggle anchor. Installing on a wood ceiling. We need a power drill and a 532-inch 4mm drill bit. Drill a 532-inch 4mm hole vertically into the ceiling at the marked spot. Attach the hook to the screw, align the screw with the hole, push the hook slightly toward the hole, and hand tighten until the hook is flush with the ceiling. Installing on a concrete ceiling. We need a power drill or a hammer drill and a 15/64-inch 6mm masonry drill bit. Drill a 15/64-inch 6mm hole, 1.6 inches 4 centimeters deep, vertically into the ceiling. Insert the plastic anchor fully into the drilled hole. Attach the hook to the screw, align the screw with the hole, press the hook in slightly, and hand tighten until it's flush with the ceiling. Installing on a hollow ceiling. We need a power drill and a 9/16 to 1932-inch 4 to 15mm drill bit. Drill a 9/16 1932-inch 14 to 15mm hole. Drywall thickness typically ranges from 0.37 to 0.98 inches, 9.5mm, 25mm. Make sure to drill through the drywall completely. Attach the hook, long bolt, and toggle wing together. Squeeze the toggle wing and align it with the drilled hole. Gently twist as you insert the toggle wing into the hole. Continue to insert the long bolt until the toggle wing opens inside the hollow wall. Pull down on the hook, then rotate it clockwise until the hook is securely fixed to the ceiling.